Data and the AI ShipOwner 566. We see how this Oracle and OpenAI union is going to strengthen databases that will need cities to survive off electricity. It is a very intelligent approach to unite data and AI. Same thing we're doing here without having to feed cities electricity, which is very basic focus, which is a day video explaining how we unite databases to AI, and we have today Microsoft, which is one of the leaders with Grok and with ChatGPT and the rest of AIs, Google, and so on. Therefore, how we unite databases and AI is one of the issues that I guess this Microsoft explained in a paper like this is horizontal layers of AI united in the process of databases, and that's how in Amazon they use it, that's how in Oracle they use it, different clients, different layers, different targets, and then how to mix all that. You need AI in order to make these horizontal layers of data structures, and Candina is working the same way. Every day we make these videos, every day we target some data seafarers from certain flag, area, nationalities, languages, type of ships, and we are just making these lines of AI structures that we later unite to formats of ship owners. Some ship owners have this Oracle format, other ship owners use Inspector, other ship owners use Adonis, others Mariap, others have this format, that format, that format, that format, and different softwares. So we adapt this input and output of databases directly to AI, and of course on that we have perfect accountability so that ship owners can fight to get the best talent at the best cost, and it's little advantage to have 180,000 seafarers, and that's why we have these 3,000 videos or so, and this one is 566 for ship owners targeting because the client is first. Thank you.